Why hello there friends, it's Emma here, the Bookish Princess. As promised, we are back at Disney's Riviera Resort for today's video. I did already post a full resort tour exploring all the beautiful art, all the cool spaces, dining and shopping. I'll link it up above if you haven't caught it yet. But today we're going to focus just on a room tour. This is a one-bedroom villa, so Riviera is a Disney Vacation Club resort. You don't have to be a DVC member to stay there though. My family is not DVC members. So our trip was in early 2020 before COVID. The hotel is open now again, but obviously with all sorts of safety precautions. Without further ado, let's check out the villa.
Pinocchio, la merveilleuse aventure. Alice nel paese delle... Oh, that's Italian. Cendrillon, vraiment. La magie de Disney, le charme de Perrault. Une ferie inoubliable. Oublier means to lose, so or to forget. So inoubliable must be unforgettable.
Blanche-Neige.
La belle roi dormant. Blanche-Neige, elle est... I'm coming back here to take a pic with this. Right now I'm... See, look, see the... You guys don't always see this. Here's a little behind the scenes. I'm vlogging while pulling this. Oh, look at... Oh, it's the darlings. They look darling. Oh my gosh, there are little window seats. That's adorable.
Tangled.
Snow White, that's my castle.
I don't know the first one.
That's from Sleeping Beauty. That's from Cinderella. How far are we down this hallway? See, here's some more behind the scenes. I dropped my lens cap. All right, I have to film a room tour, so don't mess everything up. This is what happens every time. Every time, guys. It always looks so elegant. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at this place. Oh, Athos. Where are we? This is enormous.
Exclusive
oh my
art
gosh.
in here too.
Look at this. Look at this, fam. Let me secure the bag.
Still life with Remy.
Our spirit animal, Remy, is right there. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, this place is beautiful. Wow. So, parking lot view. Wow, what is that building? Is that the Marvel building? I don't know what building it is. Guys, I matched that chair perfectly. Oh, look at the little tangled suns. That's adorable. Oh, is this ours? Oh, look, there's Riviera Resort. I like that. This is so grand. Oh, this is adorable. How come kitty cats don't come with the room? Oh my gosh, there's one in the Victrola. Wow. Oh, here, let's turn on this little chandelier. We're gonna have to do a chandelier count. Because I'm pretty
chandelier
sure.
check?
Chandelier check. 1. Here's 2. Nope, wrong one. Wrong one. Too many light switches. What? Oh my goodness! What is this? What? Oh! Look at that!
Look at Mickey and Pluto kicking back.
Ah, look! It looks like they're actually in Nice or Cannes. Is that the train track there? Oh my gosh! This is so fun. Oh, I love this. Oof. Okay, one of these must be the chandelier.
No,
There it is. 2 chandelier. 3 chandelier. 4 chandelier. 5 chandelier. Oh, I think this one's my favorite, actually. Just 5? I think just 5. These other sconces are cute too, but they're not exactly chandeliers, you know. There we go. I love this place. Can I move in here? Can this be my apartment? Does this feel like a bookish princess pied-à-terre or what? This is the new home of the Bookish Kingdom. You know, I feel now that I wronged the Riviera. I wasn't excited about it. What's happening? What are you doing? You're breaking the wall.
Secret door.
Oh my gosh.
We're on the table. Put it on the...
What?
Roll back up.
What?
You're supposed to put it on
cool.
the
What?
Sorry. We're gonna roll it back up.
table.
I like the ominous creaking.
I know. It feels like you're entering the West Wing or something. Did they like program it to do that actually on purpose? Here, we haven't even appreciated this art yet. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these two. So here's the kitchen area. Ooh, we haven't looked at this yet. Oh, look at that. That's so adorable. We saw our friend Remy. All sorts of cabinets here. What's gonna pop out? Not another bed. Oh, there's a toaster. We already have 2 pop-out beds. Let's see what's in all the cupboards. What's up here? Oh, lasagna dish. I like this backsplash. Oh my goodness. This is actually kitchen goals right now. I would totally have a kitchen with this kind of, this aesthetic. I love it. They hid the trash. Look, that's how classy of a place this is. You can tell when they hide the trash. It's a classy place. Oh, and here's our balcony. So you have access to this from the bedroom as well as from the lounge. There's the front, so we're the west wing of the resort. It just dawned on me. It just dawned on me that we're actually staying in the west wing. Beauty and the Beast fam? Anybody? Anybody? This is so cute. That's it. This is my apartment. So this is a 1-bedroom villa here at the Riviera. We stayed at the Vero Beach Resort over in Vero Beach, Florida one time. And that was really cute. That, I was like, that is my beachy apartment. But this is my princess apartment, you know? I love this music. We were just saying at the Polynesian that there should be a channel that just plays Polynesian music. Here's the channel playing the Riviera music. Look at the bottom of the bed there. That is so cute. Oh man. We have to unpack and put all of our cute dresses in the closets. I brought princessy dresses specifically. Oh my, shelves in a closet. Happy thought indeed. Sorry. I'm getting distracted. I brought my princessiest dresses to wear at the Riviera because I'd seen there's a really cool mosaic somewhere, we haven't even found that, of Tangled and also I think Beauty and the Beast. So we have to find those. Take some pictures. Oh, I don't think we even appreciated this little desk here in the corner. Super cute. Chair, very nice. Once again, I totally match this color scheme. Since we've opened all the drawers in the kitchen, should we open all these drawers too? But they're all empty. Still, I like this shape of a dresser. What do you think, RJ? Can we move in here? Austin and Allie. Later, we're watching Ratatouille. But look at this. Wow. Got some art books here.
Dude, look at all.
Did you guys see this? There's a full-size fridge. Oh, there's a vacuum cleaner? Wow. Now we're moved in. What did you tell them?
I told them I'm an
Oh, look, we got some more chandeliers here in the hallway. See what this view looks out on? Oh, nothing really. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, you can see Caribbean Beach in the distance. I like this little mini mirror here in the hallway. I can check my hair. What do you see? Alice and a cat and a butterfly. Are you examining the paint strokes?
It's not real.
It's not real?
I don't
think it's real, but I like it.
I like it too.
I mean, I don't think it's the original.
That's what I'm saying.
So look at this carefully. Do you guys see who it is? Athos realized this. I wish I had realized this. It's Goofy. Wait for this. Wait a minute. Was that Pluto? And this one's Goofy? Because there's the hat. This one's must be Goofy. Donald. I think that's a bow. So that must be Minnie. Oh yeah, look, there's the eyelashes. And Mickey. I walked over this many times before Athos was like, yeah.
So who is this?
Goofy, because he's got a hat, and
Who's
that's
this?
Pluto.
Pluto? Oh, you're right, it's Pluto.
Pluto. Look at this. The people who designed this place are designers after my own heart. Why not put secret cubbies in the Murphy bed? You could just leave your stuffed animals in there, and then when you folded down the bed for the night, they would be there waiting for you. Look at that. Beautiful spaceship Earth view. Oh, we can even see some of the countries. Hey, this is perfect since we're in the Riviera. We can see Italy. Whoa, look at this chandelier. I like it. We had such a lovely stay at the Riviera.
Mickey Mouse chandelier. That's pretty
Oh, it is a hidden Mickey.
circles.
No, I can see the hidden Mickey. I like it. We were just saying we were having a lovely stay at the Riviera.
That was wonderful.
Big
I think
fan.
Both of the new places we went have been
Yes.
superb.
Kronos Club.
The Riviera, both wonderful.
I'm a much bigger fan of the Riviera than I expected to be. 10 out of 10.